Hello, this is my presentation on Winston Churchill. Winston Churchill by Lillian. Who was Winston Churchill? Winston Churchill was the Prime Minister of the UK during the Second World War. He was a war hero from the Boer War and World War I. He was a member of Parliament. Facts about Winston Churchill. He was born November 30th, 1874, and he died in January 24th, 1965. He lived in England, UK, and here are his family members. His parents were Radolf Churchill, a Duke of Marlborough, and Lady Jenny Spencer Churchill. His wife was Clementine Churchill, and his children were Radolf Churchill, Mary Selms, Diana Churchill, Marigold Churchill, Sarah Churchill. Accomplishments. He fought in World War I. Accomplishments. He fought in World War I. He was the Prime Minister the first time he was Prime Minister was from 1940 to 1945, and the second time he was Prime Minister, it was from 1951 to 1955. He became a knight in 1954, and he was made an honorary citizen by the Act of Congress in 1963, just 2 years before he died. Why did I pick Winston Churchill? I picked Winston Churchill because my mom is always talking about him, and I like him too. I thought it would be good to do something the other kids wouldn't do. How did Winston Churchill impact others? Winston Churchill was a leader of the UK during the World War II. He helped people be brave because of his speeches and planned many of the battles with General Eisenhower, including D-Day. How did Churchill has impacted me? He helped me love horses even more than I already do. He's inspiring because of his paintings and speeches. He wrote books about the war, and he painted. And I hope I get to read one of those books one day. He liked Napoleon, and me and my mom do too. And he inspired me to read And I Survived the Nazi Invasion in 1944. Other exciting bits. The first use of OMG was in 1917 to a letter to Winston Churchill. And he was good friends with President Franklin Roosevelt. He had lots of animals as pets, including pigs. He was a soldier in many wars, including the Spanish-American War, the Boer War, and World War I. He was not a good student, and he was sent to military school because his parents thought he was dumb. He was just a genius in another way. Famous quotes: "Continuous effort, not strength or not intelligence, is the key. Intelligence is the key to unlocking our potential. A pessimist sees the difficulty in every opportunity, and an optimist sees an opportunity in every difficulty. Never give in, never, 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 never. Thank you, bye.